back to my channel. My name is Sierra and my channel is called The Luxe Touch. Thank you for coming back. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of the Luxe family. You guys, I have been so super busy these past 2 weeks. I have been trying to get my house ready to go on the market, along with trying to renovate my granny's house. So it has been a wild ride, to say the least. And I still have a lot to do at my house to get it ready, but hopefully it'll be ready like within the next 2 weeks and get on the market. So pray for a speedy sale, which I think it'll sell fast because of the price range, and you know, it's a townhouse. A lot of first-time home buyers like me, a single woman, probably would buy it. So pray for a speedy sale. So I want to show you guys around my granny's house and show you like what upcoming projects I have coming for over here, because I can't seem to keep still. Like, you know, when you just love interior design and home decor, it just, you know, there's so many things you can do. You know what I'm saying? Like I always say, it does not matter where you live, it's how you live. And I feel like you can make any place look luxurious. It's just all up to, you know, you and how you plan your space. But at any rate, let me take you in the back where the bedrooms are. We are changing the paneling on the walls because like I told you, this house was built in the late 60s, early 70s. And so, of course, back then, everybody had paneling. So the paneling is still on the wall. So we're going to be switching that to sheetrock, is what they call it. So let me take you in the back to kind of give you an idea of how it looked before. And then you guys can follow me along with the process of picking the paint colors, which I already have a paint color in mind, and redecorating the spaces back there because it needs a little update, you know? So let's go and see how it looks. Definitely needs to come off and needs to be replaced. I don't know if you can tell, but at the bottom here you can see like moisture. So I'm guessing it's probably mold or something down there. I don't know. Guess we'll see when we open it up. The guy is scheduled to come on Monday to start. And this is one of my granny's beds that she had back here. We've already moved the furniture. I don't know why I don't pick up the camera to record these things. But I'm gonna try to do better. But yes, this whole room is getting a complete makeover, you guys. And I just want to show you the before so you can follow along on the process. I don't think that I will replace the closet door. I think I'll probably just paint it white, because you know that's solid wood, so I don't think I'll get rid of that. It's just like the laundry room doors that I did. I probably just changed the knob and paint it a different color. Now that I'm thinking, I might paint it like an accent color instead of white, because the room is going to be like very light gray, but we'll see what I come up with. But yeah, this is the room here, and every room in my granny's house has paneling, so we're starting from the back and working our way to the front. But yeah, this is the side door, and this is the hallway. But what I want to do, because it's so dark back here, I want to, and the hallway is so long, so I want to add 2 more lights. I have a light come down back here, and keep that middle light, and add a light coming down on the end. As you can see, we've already moved the stuff, so it's in the living room. But yeah, even the hallway is getting done. I don't know if you can see. Again, moisture. These things need to be redone. So yeah, it's a long hallway, but I have a plan for it. In the next clip, I will show you different plans that I have for the hallway. So these are some options for the lighting that I'm going to put in the hallway. These are 2 beautiful flush mounts that are not too far from the ceiling. I think it'll add a great feature. Also, I'm looking into adding some board and batten going down the hallway. I think it'll give it a nice pop and look that I'm going for the hallway. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Stay tuned for the update on the next video. Thanks for watching.